Hello everyone, this is Mr. G again, coming back to you with another lecture series. This is going to be part one of a three-part series for week four's material pertaining to minor scales, minor key signatures, and the circle of fifths. For part one, similar to part one of week three's material, I'm going to show you how to spell and construct minor scales. Now, we're only to deal with one of the three types. There's natural minor, harmonic minor, and melodic minor. Harmonic and melodic each have their own series of accidentals that you need to add on to them. So we're going to save those for a separate week. For this part, we're just going to deal with natural minor, meaning no extra sharps or flats added. It's just going to be whatever is in our key signature. So to get started, let's just briefly review whole steps and half steps. Starting from our very special note, middle C, any note that's immediately next to this note, or any note rather, is a half step. Now half steps can go up, so from C to C sharp, or down from C to B. A whole step is two half steps. So a whole step up from C is D. A whole step down from C is B flat. And I think you get the picture. Whole steps, half steps, very simple. So when it comes to constructing minor scales, there is a different pattern that you need to follow. But let me start you off on a different note this time. We're not going to start on middle C. We are going to start on the A below that. I'm going to denote that with purple. And where this falls on the treble staff is two lines below. Let me draw that a little better. Two lines below, right on the bottom of those two. Now, when it comes to constructing a minor scale, again, just natural minor, we follow a different pattern, but similar to the pattern that we use when constructing a major scale. Still whole steps and half steps, and that pattern is whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, oops, whole. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step, whole step, and then another whole step on top. Let's construct one starting on A. We need a whole step up from A, which is B, and that on the treble staff is one ledger line below, and it rests below that line on the space. Then we need a half step up from B, which we discussed earlier is C. Next, a whole step up from C, D, whole step up from D, E, half step up from E, F, whole step from F, G, and finally, a whole step up from G, A. So there you have it. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. Just like last time, I'm going to say out the half step, whole step pattern while playing the notes on the piano. So that's the entire scale in sequence, but I'm going to go one note at a time. Starting on A. Whole step up is B. Half step up is C. Whole step up is D. whole step up is E, half step up is F, whole step up is G, finally, whole step up is A. Now I'm going to show you how to construct a different minor scale, this time one that involves at least one sharp. So let's choose E minor. We're going to start on first line E, and we're just going to continue to build up from there. So whole step up from E, E, that would be F sharp. Because remember, a whole step is 2 half steps. Half step up from E is F, half step up from F is F sharp. Therefore, a whole step from E upwards is F sharp. Now we need a half step up from F sharp, which is G. Whole step up from G, A. Whole step up from A is B, with the stem going down. So if you write notes B and up, you have to write the stem down. That's just a little tidbit for you. Half step up from B is C. Whole step up from C is D. And finally, whole step up from D is E. Let me go ahead and play the scale for you on the piano. So now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with A minor, and I'm going to go through the pattern and each note in the E minor scale. Then I'm going to show you how to translate this into a minor key signature. So we start on E. Whole step up is F sharp. Half step up is G. Whole step up is A. Whole step up is B. Half step up is C. Whole step up is D. Whole step up is E. Now to turn this into a key signature, remember what I told you. You simply wipe away all the accidentals. In this case, we only have one sharp on F. And you put it at the very beginning of the line. When it comes to the F, though, in the key signature, you want to write it up here. But if you remember from last week, this F applies to an F in any range, whether it be an F written up here on the top line or an F written on the bottom space. That sharp applies to all Fs everywhere. And therefore, you don't need to write the sharp in front of the F. And therefore, it doesn't become an accidental anymore. It's just understood that every single F is sharp. Now let's practice with a key signature that involves flats. Just give me a few seconds to erase what I have here. And you'll notice that the pattern stays the same no matter if the key signature has sharps, flats, or no sharps or flats at all. Let's go ahead and choose one with 2 flats, G minor. We are going to use this G, which is second line on the treble staff. I'll expedite the process just a little bit. And I'll play and write as we go. So, whole step up from G, we need A. Half step up from A, we need B flat. So write the B, and then the flat. We need a whole step up from B flat, which is C. Oops. C. Whole step up from C, D. Half step up from D which is E flat. Whoops, sorry. Write the flat. And then we need a whole step up from E flat, which is F. There we go, F. And finally, whole step up from F, G. And now, let me play the scale for you. One final time, now point to each note. I'm not going to say anything extra, just play. Now, to add the key signature, you add the flats, at least in this case, from left to right. So you erase the accidentals, which were on B and E, and then you put them over here. So B and E. And again, that means that it's understood all B's and E's henceforth are flat, unless there's a different key signature that's written later in the piece. Okay, and that covers minor scales, how to build them, and how to apply a key signature. Part 2 is going to pertain to the relationship between major keys and minor keys, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.